Hi guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I'm making a brand new smoothie recipe. This is a spring berry smoothie. It's absolutely delicious. My son Teddy loves this recipe, so let's get started. Now today I'm going to be using the Vitamix A3500i model. I'm also going to be using the Vitamix recipe app, which I can use to control the speeds on this model, which is pretty cool. So first of all, I'm going to put in a whole coconut. I'm using a young coconut. I'm just going to cut the top off the coconut. I like to use a nice serrated knife. I find it the easiest way. Got that beautiful fresh liquid, really super hydrating. So I'm going to add half the liquid from the coconut into the Vitamix. Just pour that out here. My beautiful Vitamix measuring cup. So half the liquid, about so much. And then I usually give the other half to Teddy. He loves to drink that. But today, I'm gonna give it to Monique. Here you go. I'm also gonna use this beautiful flesh. So if you don't have one of these spatulas, definitely get on our website, rawblend.com.au and purchase one. They're only $9.95 and they're really a great way to get underneath this flesh so you can scoop it all out in one hit. I think that looks pretty good. Try and get all that out. This is a really thick coconut here. Lots of flesh in there, look at that. So once again, I'm just gonna use half the flesh for this recipe and I give the rest to Teddy. I'm just going to use 2 to 3 tablespoons of beautiful coconut yogurt. This is a vanilla flavor. It's going to give it a little bit of a nicer taste. I've got 1 whole banana. I'm just going to throw that in. Well, make sure you peel your banana. Even the monkeys do that. We do too. And it goes. I'm going to put in 2 whole apples, green apples. I'm just going to cut those into quarters. When the doctor says an apple a day, he's talking about the whole apple. The seeds, the peel, the stem. There's going to be people online saying, oh, you can't eat the apple seeds, they're filled with cyanide. Only traces of cyanide, not enough for it to be poisonous when we eat the apple core. So I'm just going to throw that in. Lots of good vitamins and minerals in there. I'm just going to put in 1 cup of seedless red grapes and also 1 cup of mixed berries. Wow, that looks so fresh and good. Now all we need is some ice. Just going to add about 1 cup of ice. So today I'm going to be using the Vitamix Perfect Blend app to control the speeds on my 2300i. Pretty simple to do. So you just want to go on and download the app. Here it is here. I click on it and it opens up. It's asking me to put on the container. Just going to put on my container. There you go, now it's recognized. Now if I scroll down, you'll see this big list. There's about 17 different pre-programmed settings from smoothies to nut butters, to cleaning, to acai bowls. Today I am just going to use the smoothie setting and it's saying to please move the blender to #1 position and then you'll notice 50 seconds pops up on the screen. All I have to do is press the start button and away we go. Okay, our smoothie is done. It only took 50 seconds. The recipe app took care of everything for me. I didn't even have to switch it off. So if you want to learn more about this awesome recipe app to control the speeds on your Vitamix blender, then watch this video up here. It's going to show you everything you need to know. So let's try some of this delicious smoothie. Look at that beautiful color, the thickness, all that fresh coconut, the mixed berries. So delicious. Let's try some of that. Cheers. This recipe is an absolute winner. The kids will love it, the adults will love it too. Now if you'd like to buy a Vitamix and you're located in Australia, New Zealand, the US, Canada or the UK, then watch this video up here or click on the link in the captions below. You're going to find out all the information you need. Until next time, happy blending.